Hey, what's going on, guys? It's David here from Genzio. We are in Salt Lake City at Permissionless. I'm here with my guy Mike. Mike, it is a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'd love to hear a little about GeoDNet. I had the pleasure of working with Davey the other week, and I'd like to hear a little bit more.
Yeah, so GeoDNet is a high accuracy geospatial network that's built using Deepin principles. Basically, people set up satellite mining stations on rooftops that allows those stations to listen to the satellites and then provide accuracy data that improves the accuracy of things like your mobile phone, your car, drones, robots. Anything that's getting GPS can then improve its accuracy by 100-fold by tying into the GeoDNet network.
Okay, so I got to ask, maybe might be what is some of the misconceptions of Deepin projects?
Well, I think a couple of misconceptions are that there's no use cases for Deepin and that these networks get built and no one uses them. And one of the things we're really proud of is the number of quality users that we have. We have over 30 business partners that have signed up and using GeoDNet actively. Last week, we reached a milestone where 50% of the deployed stations were actually used daily by customers. So that I think goes to prove that we have like over $1 million on chain revenue. I forget the number right now, but growing really nicely. So I think the idea that there are no use cases for deep and based networks is just totally wrong.
Okay, so I see right here 9,000 plus base stations. Where is this totally global?
Yeah, it's totally global except for a couple of countries where either crypto mining is restricted or geospatial technologies are highly restricted. Those places we don't have nodes, but everywhere where it's legal, there are nodes, and we're growing deployments globally.
Okay, and how long has GeoDNet been active?
So we've been at the project about 2.5 years. We launched a white paper a little bit before that that was published by the Institute of Navigation, received Best Paper Award at the Institute of Navigation's annual GNSS Plus conference. So we have a lot of industry excitement around the network on the demand side. And then we started getting nodes deployed in about March of 2022, and it's grown from zero to almost 10,000. We'll probably hit 10,000 stations registered later this week, which puts it far and away the biggest high accuracy geospatial network in the world.
Well, that's huge, man. Yeah. Would you like to take the opportunity to announce any sort of, upcoming events or any announcements that you just might have?
Yeah, so Monday next week, we're launching a new miner in conjunction with another deep end project called Wingbits. And this is a device that will track aircraft as well as provide the satellite signals for the GeoNet network. And so we're excited to kind of collaborate with other deep end projects using our proof of location infrastructure to power up other deep end projects and then to, make it very efficient for the mining community to set up one station and actually participate in two projects in parallel. So that's coming out. We're doing a lot of work in mapping. We're doing a lot of work in drones, robots. So I think stay tuned to our YouTube channel where you can see interviews with GeoNet and a lot of its customers and all the cool things they're doing.
Nice, man. Well, where can we find you guys?
Yeah, we're on all the major social channels. YouTube is a really great place to find us because we do create a lot of video content with our actual end user customers. So if you're interested in like what is Deepin really used for, come to our YouTube channel. There you'll see videos with folks ranging from farmers to surveyors to drone pilots to robotic lawnmowers, all kinds of cool forward-looking stuff. These are the people using GeoDNet today.
Sounds like a lot of good educational videos too.
Yeah, a lot of educational videos. We do a series on our tokenomics. We've done a series on how to avoid scams in crypto, how to protect yourself on social channels, all kinds of good stuff.
Cool. Hey, pleasure meeting you.
Hey, nice
Thank
meeting
you
you as
very
well.
much.
Hey, what's up?
This is
But
Zach.
it's not something Genzio is afraid of.
If you want to survive, you got to build a
How
hive.
many know we do not understand that we do not know?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Get back at the Genzio Media House.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for joining us today.